making a Reborn unboxing video. That's right. Yep. My boyfriend gave me a gift card for Amazon. And this is what we got. We got a delivery. That's right. A special delivery. Reborn. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Oh my gosh. I hope what I expect. I want one that's cuddly, you know? Thank you, Steve. Wookie, schnookums. We parents. That's right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it looks real. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It looks real. It looks real. Oh my gosh. Oh, and he's soft and he's cuddly. Oh, he's got little toenails and oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's this? Oh, you got a little hat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And a little teddy bear. Yeah, a little teddy bear. Where's the camera? Oh, it's over there. Oh, teddy bear. Oh, and a birth certificate. We're parents, Steve. Got birth certificate and everything. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, and a little itty bitty diaper. And a bottle and a pacifier. Oh my gosh. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh my gosh. I know you want to see him. I know. Hold on. I want to open this. Oh my god, he's so cute. And he's got a magnetic personality. Okay, are you ready? Wait. We gotta put his little hat on first. Oh my gosh, he is so adorable. Oh, he looks just like my grandkids. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm not disappointed at all. He is just adorable. Oh, let's put your little hat on. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, are you ready? Which way should I should do it the other way. Let's see. Are you ready? Are you ready for something adorable? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Oops, he dropped the teddy bear. Oh, look. Oh, he's so cute. Look at this little face. Oh, isn't that the sweetest? Oh, and he's soft. And he's got little fingernails. Look at the little fingernails. Can you see the little fingernails? Where is the camera? You got little fingernails. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, look at these toenails. The toenails. Oh my God, I'm dropping my camera, the thingy. Look at this. I can't get a good enough picture here. He's got little toenails. You can't see. There they are. You see them? Oh. Oh my gosh, he looks so real. He's got little eyelashes. He's got eyelashes. Oh. Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. Look at this face. I can't get a good enough picture. Oh my gosh, he is so lifelike. Oh, and he's sweet. Smells like baby powder. Oh, I love him so much. Thank you, Steve. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Yeah. Oh, look, it's so cute. He's got a magnetic personality. See, watch. It's a magnet. He got magnetic personality, get it? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I love him. Oh, I'm just a big kid. I am just a big kid. You got a brother. Come here. These are my babies. Aren't she adorable? So anyway, this is Tiffany Arlene. And this, I know some of you guys, don't be so mean because you don't like Donald Trump. I'm naming him Donnie. This is Donald Stephen Keeter. That's right. Yeah. We just mixed his daddy's name up a little bit. Instead of Stephen Donald, it's Donald Stephen. Because I already have a son named Stephen too, so yeah. Where is the kid? What's it? There. It's hard to know where to look with this tablet. Oh, isn't he adorable? Look at this. He looks just like the picture. Oh, I'm so glad. This is a soft one too. And he's got some weight to him. He feels like a real baby. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes, it's just... Oh, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And it's got a little bottle. Little baby Baba. Yeah. He can't really eat anything though. And he can't wet because he's got a cloth body. Yeah, he's got a cloth body. It's not one of those silicone ones. I do want one, but they're like crazy expensive. So I'm not going to get one of those. But I'm just a big kid. It's got some baby toys. Look, aren't they cute? Little baby toys. Oh, he's even got a little hospital band. I got some ideas for that. A little hospital band. Oh, little diapers are so tiny. I remember these tiny diapers. And birth certificate. Enjoy your gift. Oh, I will. I will enjoy my gift. Huh? So cute. So cute. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Steve. Thank you for helping me get this cute little baby. We are a daddy now, and we're mama and you daddy. You're so cute. Yeah, say hi, Daddy. Hello. Okay, that's enough. Oh, I just love it. I'm just a big kid. I'm sorry. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, that's my video. Hope you all have a good day. Try to keep smiling and be happy no matter what. Love you guys.